Welcome back, folks, to another episode of Americana Classics, where we dive into the world of timeless automobiles that capture the spirit of Americana. Today, we've got a lineup of 7 vintage beauties that will make any car enthusiast's heart skip a beat. Let's buckle up and take a closer look. First, this stunning Thunderbird Landau boasts originality from bumper to bumper, with a pristine white exterior complemented by a vibrant red interior. With a mere 43,000 miles on the odometer, this beauty runs like a dream, thanks to meticulous maintenance and upgrades, priced at $18. Zero or best offer, it's a steal for any collector. Second, built in the 80s by Shea Motors Corp. This replica of the iconic 1955 Thunderbird is a true showstopper. Featuring a fiery red fiberglass body, upgraded V8 engine, and a host of new parts, it's ready to turn heads wherever it goes, with a price tag of $18,900. It offers both style and performance. Three, step back in time with this immaculately restored 1949 Chevy Coupe, sporting a classic Monaco blue paint job and powered by a newer 135 Chevy engine. This gem is a joy to drive, complete with historical documentation and accessories. It's priced at $18,995, making it a fantastic investment for any vintage car enthusiast. Four, looking for a head turner? Look no further than this 55 Studebaker Commander, freshly painted with a custom color. This V8 powered sedan is 90% restored and ready to hit the streets with a price of $18,000. It offers classic charm at an affordable price point. Five, if you're in the market for something truly unique, this 50 Ford Custom Rattrate is calling your name. With a rugged aesthetic and a powerful flathead V8 engine, it's the epitome of old school cool, priced at $18,500. It's a steal for anyone with a taste for adventure. Six, classic Mustang enthusiasts, rejoice! This 65 Mustang has been upgraded with a high-performance 189 V8 engine and a host of other enhancements. With its iconic orange paint job and manual transmission, it's sure to satisfy any adrenaline junkie and priced at $18,000. It's a bargain you can't pass up. Last but certainly not least, we have this elegant 67 Mercedes-Benz 3OS European model, Imported from Germany and meticulously maintained, it's a true testament to timeless luxury. And there you have it, folks, 7 timeless classics. Each with its own story to tell. Which one stole your heart? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Americana Classics for more automotive adventures. Until next time, keep cruising down memory lane.